So Ineffable has made this lovely lunch for people with COVID that must quarantine for a little while. Lucky them, kind of.
Quarantine is never fun for anyone. However, these recipes are already online.
Keep stirring.
Okay, when you see it's about to bubble,
When it's about to boil,
lower the flames and add the eggs.
lower the fire and add the eggs.
So good.
It does. I wish for people to smell this. It smells really good. Just to put the eggs in there.
Wow, it smells so good.
That is yummy, eh? Okay, I'm gonna put the eggs. Et voilà, ça va être bon. Allons manger.
Lunch is ready. We're having rice and these special beans. Ineffable has done this one before. Watch her videos. Oh, the star of our show. This is the yellow egg curry. Look at that recipe and make it. It's great. And there's something else that we've had before. It is some belachan and papadam. This is going to be a great lunch. Now, normally, Ineffable Malaysian makes it all in a nice, beautiful plate. Today, we're eating right out of the wok. But don't worry, they're good quality woks. I'm sure it's going to taste good.
I'm tired.
Oh, let's try this. This is the yellow curry with egg. Wow, what an explosion in your mouth. All the flavors. But then there's all like the turmeric and now the egg really complements all of these spices. Great food. Beats a steak. Have you ever seen an egg that looks this good? Wow. Everything goes so well together. And it's
Spicy?
It's spicy, yes, but look, there's even our own planted turmeric leaves.
Yeah.
You don't see that every day. You don't get that at the restaurant, I can tell you that. You're never going to the restaurant. I wonder whether you could eat this with chicken or something else.
Yes.
Oh, so you could put something else.
Most of the time it's made with chicken, but we have always made it with eggs because
Ah.
it's simple and fast.
Yes, I remember.
Look at that. Smells so good.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Yep, I think I'll have seconds now.
Yeah.
That looks delicious. Did you serve me my second plate? Can I have this one?
Sure.
Aha, thank you.